Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to freeze your frame in Camtasia. So let's upload a video first. Hold on, it will take some seconds. Still loading. Okay, then you have to drag it to the frame, or you can drag it to here. Okay, now you can see the whole video is here. I'm doing this to the bottom at very last side. Choose this, and now I'm gonna extend some frame. Okay, you can see the scale here, right? The scale like this. All you have to just right click and you'll find here extend frame. Click on extend frame and it is okay. You can now extend your frame from here and the frame will freeze. Okay, so you can see here that this one is the extended version frame and the frame is now freeze here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.